Hello, hello, and welcome to day number 3 of hashtag World Cardmaking Day 2025. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a multi-panel display fancy fold using free design papers by Monika, PaperMona, and I left the link in the description down below. In this collaboration, we've got Marta from Drop of Sunshine, Katarina from Create with Katarina, and of course Monika, PaperMona. To create the card base, I need 6 by 8 inches white card, and I'm going to score it at 6 inches all the way down. It is time to fold it and burnish. And if you like Monika's digital collection, I left the link in the description down below. And what's really good about this, it is free because we all created something special for you for this World Card Making Day. Here I've got the panel measuring 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. I decided to add a little bit more interest to the edges using Distress Oxide ink in price ribbon color. When this is ready, then I can work on my card base a little bit more. And I can tell you, it is super easy. So if you've never ever created a multi-panel display fancy fold, I really hope you'll feel inspired and create your own version using Monika's design paper, which you can get for free. Now using my trimmer, I'm going to place my card at 4 inches and create a cut line up to the score line. Now I'm going to move it to 2 inches and create another cut line up to the score line. So when this is ready, I'm going to cut the middle panel off using my scissors. Super quick and simple, right? So when this is ready, then we can create more elements. But if you want, you can add here the beautiful design paper inside of the card first. What do you think about these beautiful free design papers created by Monika? Please let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love it because these are my favorite colors. So now, when this is ready, we can create some more elements for this multi-panel display fancy fold. Really cool, very simple, and very effective as well. Especially if you like fancy folds. I've got two squares, 2 by 2 inches, and the design paper is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 of an inch. And you know the drill by now. I'm going to use price ribbon color and add it to all the edges of my squares. So what do you think about using inks on the edges? Do you do that for your card making projects? I haven't done it in a long time, so today I thought, let's do it. And if you'd like to celebrate with us, please join us. Create some beautiful makes using that hashtag World Card Making Day 2025 using our free design papers. And as I told you, the link is in the description down below. Now I've got the panel measuring 3.5 by 3.5 of an inch, and the design paper is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 of an inch. As you can see, the color is already there, so we can start assembling the elements together. And whenever you use a liquid glue, you do have time to maneuver the elements if you make a mistake. So now I've got two more blue panels measuring 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 of an inch. And I really like how this distress oxiding really makes a difference here. Do you like it too? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now we can start putting all the elements together, and it is super simple. And as I told you, it is very effective and you can use whatever is in your stash, but for free today, you can download Monika's PaperMona's beautiful mini collection. And the link is in the description down below. It would be amazing if you can go to Monika, Katarina, and Marta and check their tutorials because their projects are absolutely fabulous. And if you're new to our channels, please leave us a comment and subscribe as well. That would really mean a lot to us, especially for tomorrow's World Card Making Day. And I also wonder, how are you going to celebrate? And if you'd like to join us, check all our videos and get all the free mini collections just to celebrate the World Card Making Day, and you can use them to create as many projects as you want. So, what do you think about this multi panel display fancy fold? Oh, I decided to add something on the back as well. So I've got 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch beautiful design paper. And when this is ready, then I'm going to use white card as well. So I will have some space for a message. And this one is 4.5 by 4.5 of an inch. And at this point, I thought something is missing, but I'm going to add some elements in a moment. Let's embellish the front first. So I fussy cut lots of the elements from this beautiful collection, and I added some double-sided foam adhesive to some of the elements. I really like those flowers. I think they are gorgeous. And together with this background, they work so well. I absolutely love them. You like them as well? Please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to go and check Monika's, PaperMona's, Katarina's, and Marta's videos as well, because their projects, as I told you, are simply gorgeous. And tomorrow we've got our last video, so I really hope you will join us to celebrate that special day in the year. And if you do celebrate, what kind of card are you going to create? I'm really curious. For this celebration, I think creating very simple but very effective and special cards is the best way to go. I decided to embellish the back as well, and these flowers go so well with this design paper. I really like them. So as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that they go on the blue frame just to make it even more special. And when you use a liquid glue, you do have time to maneuver the elements, which I think is the best thing, especially with this book binding glue. So now the cut is complete. If you want, you can add some gems as well, because there is plenty of space to write your message on the back, and the card stands proudly on a flat surface, which I really like as well. So don't forget about our hashtag World Card Making Day 2025. Go to Marta, Drop of Sunshine, Monika, PaperMona, and Katarina, Create with Katarina, and check all the amazing projects. Thank you so much for watching, spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, and I really hope to see you tomorrow for that final day of World Card Making Day collaboration. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!